here it says a model of an airplane is created where 2 inches is equal to 35 feet. The model airplane is 13.6 inches long. How long is the actual airplane? So in this example, we're going to use the scale factor and the model airplane length and multiply those together to find the actual airplane length. So let's substitute these numbers in. So the model length is pretty easy. It's just 13.6 inches. In the scale factor, we're going to use the fact that 2 inches equals 35 feet, and we're going to write that as a fraction. So we can write that in 2 different ways. And to determine which of these ways to use, we want to think which one of these can we multiply together and the inches is canceled out and we're left with feet as our unit of measure. Because we are converting 13.6 inches, this small version of the airplane, to a larger version that has to be measured in feet. So we're going to use what we know about dimensional analysis to think, where does inches get canceled and feet be left as the unit of measure? Is it the first one or is it the second one? So if we look at the first one, when you're multiplying, you multiply straight across, so we're left with inches times inches, inches squared, and then feet is down in the denominator. But the second one, something interesting happens. If you have the same number or the same unit of measure in the numerator and also in the denominator, you can think of that fraction bar as the division symbol. This is inches divided by inches. Anything divided by itself cancels out. So in the second one, we are left with feet as our unit of measure. So let's focus in on the second one and think about what the number in our answer would be. So let's multiply the numerators, the 13.6 times the 35, and get your answer. And then we're going to divide that by 2. And if you do that, you get 238 feet. So the length of the actual airplane would be 238 feet if we're using the scale factor of 2 inches equals 35 feet.